Good morning. I am Ahmad Ali Kutbuddin from class 1, section E. Today I will speak about the 5 things we get from plants and animals. First, fruits. We get different kinds of fruits from tree, such as an apple, grapes, orange, mango, etc. Fruits are very healthy and tasty. My favorite fruit is grapes. Second, cotton. We get cotton from cotton tree. All of the cotton plant is used. There is no waste. Cotton can be used for bedsheet, clothing, home decor, towel, etc. Third, wool. Woolen cloth is made up of wool. We get wool from sheep and other animals. Wools are used to make blankets, carpets, sweaters, etc. Fourth, egg. We get egg from hen. The yellow part of an egg is called yolk. Eating an egg is good for health. Fifth, honey. We get honey from bee. I love to eat honey. Honey with lemon helps in weight loss. Thank you.